The front valance copped the worst of it in the lean-to, right at the front of it. But fortunately just surface again, bit of work. Outside of the boot lid is excellent, but the inside's a bit of a different story. Inside of the boot lid's all original, so I've got a bit of surface rust and mess here to clean up. We'll just keep at it, we'll get there. This is a lot better. Wherever I can't get to, I'll give it a good fill with fish oil or something like that, and should be able to stabilise it. Coming good. Bit of de-rusting to be done. Right, sanded down the guide coat on the 35-year-old Tetrasol primer. I think it was Tetrasol, I've been told, and amazing how well it stood up with 35 years in a lean-to, one end open to the weather. Amazing, really. Looks pretty good. So once that was done, prepped it up and sprayed it then with 2K high build primer. So looking pretty good so far.